What if I told you that your money could earn for you while you sleep, eat, travel, or just relax without you doing anything after the initial setup? In 2025, that's exactly what I've built for myself. I've created a system where I earn passive income from the stock market every single month. And here's the part most people won't believe. I don't trade, I don't sit in front of charts, and I don't even check the market every day. This is not a dream, not a gimmick, and not some get-rich-quick trick. It's real, it's simple, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and how you can too, even if you're starting with just a small amount and absolutely no experience. Welcome to Bull and Paisa, where we talk about smart money moves and financial freedom in today's world. If you're tired of chasing money and want to learn how to make money chase you, then you're in the right place. Before we dive deep, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon, because the strategies I share are practical, proven, and they could change the way you think about money forever. Let's start by breaking the biggest myth. Most people believe passive income means putting money into something once and magically getting rich. But that's not how it works. Real passive income requires you to plant the seed, water it, and give it time to grow. But once it grows, it starts bearing fruit, regularly, reliably, and with minimal effort. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. Let me take you back to 2023. I wasn't a finance expert. I had around $5,000 saved, and all I wanted was to find a way to grow it without taking crazy risks or constantly worrying about stock prices. I started studying how wealthy people actually build passive income. Not traders, not gamblers, actual long-term investors. And I realized the key was in buying income-generating assets that pay you just for holding them. No fancy apps, no high-stress decisions, just patience and consistency. So I built a portfolio focused on one thing: steady, reliable cash flow. I focused on three major types of investments: dividend-paying stocks, dividend-focused ETFs, and REIT, also known as real estate investment trusts. I also added a small percentage of bond ETFs to reduce risk and keep things balanced. I made it a habit to invest consistently, even if it was just a few $100s every month, and reinvest every single dividend I received. No withdrawals, no panic selling, just simple, boring, powerful investing. Today in 2025, that small portfolio now pays me over $300 per month in passive income. It doesn't sound like a lot yet, but think about it. That's enough to cover small bills, subscriptions, or groceries every month. And I didn't lift a finger for it this year. It's real income, generated by smart investments I made in the past. And the most exciting part? That number is growing every single month. Let me break down how I've allocated my portfolio so you can build your own version. 40% of my money is in strong, blue-chip dividend stocks. Companies like Apple, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These companies have a long track record of paying and increasing their dividends. Then 30% is in dividend-focused ETFs, like SCHD, VYM, and JEPI. These funds give me exposure to dozens of companies at once and are managed to provide consistent income. 20% is invested in REITs, which pay out most of their profits as dividends. My favorite is Realty Income, also known as the monthly dividend company. And finally, 10% is in bond ETFs. Not exciting, but they give me stability when the market is shaky. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have $5,000 to start. And that's okay, because in 2025, you don't need thousands to begin. Apps like Grow, Robinhood, Webull, and others allow fractional investing, so you can start with 500 rupees or even $10. The secret isn't in the amount, it's in the habit. Start small, stay consistent, and reinvest everything. That's how wealth is built. So here's what I recommend if you're just starting out. First, set a goal to invest a small fixed amount every month, even 1,000 rupees or $20. Choose one solid dividend ETF to begin with. Over time, as you grow more confident, add REITs and individual dividend stocks. Focus on companies with a history of increasing dividends And don't try to time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. Always. What really changed my life wasn't just the portfolio. It was the mindset shift. I stopped thinking about fast money. I started thinking about freedom. I stopped checking my portfolio daily. I started trusting the process. I stopped chasing risky returns. I started focusing on stability, consistency, and long-term growth. And now, when I see dividends hit my account, I know I'm one step closer to full financial independence. So if you're watching this and wondering if you can do the same,